Now your WZDX Pinpoint Weather with meteorologist Emily Owen.
Sunday, everyone. I know most of us are looking towards the start of a new work week, and it does look like things are going to be awesome heading into tomorrow. Let's go ahead and jump out to our radar, though, because we are catching a few light showers out there scattered all across the Tennessee Valley. But good news is these showers are very light in nature, so it is definitely some good sleeping weather out there tonight. Now, temperatures right now, you can kind of tell where areas are seeing rain and areas that aren't seeing rain. Notice Florence, 51 degrees. Scottsboro catching a few of those showers, so they're at 46. They've got that rain-cooled air. 47 in Huntsville, 49 in Athens, 45 degrees in Coleman, and 46 right now in Moulton. For tonight, temperatures are going to continue to plummet into the lower 30s, so it is going to be another cold night out there. Clouds will start to decrease heading into the overnight as well, so we can expect to see mostly sunshine for your Monday. And it is going to be a quiet night overall out there across the Tennessee Valley. Now, I mentioned that temperatures are going to be getting pretty cold for tomorrow and Tuesday, and here's why. We've got this trough that it's going to continue to dig further down into the Tennessee Valley. That's going to shift our wind directions to be coming out of the northwest. So we've got some Arctic air headed in our direction, going to usher in some cold air, and our low temperatures for Monday night and Tuesday night are going to be in the 20s. So we've definitely got some cold air headed our way, but the good news is it's not going to last very long, and we will gradually warm up heading into the week ahead. So hey, maybe you've got the day off tomorrow and you're going to head outdoors to go hunting. It is going to be a nice day to do it. We will see mostly sunshine. High temperatures, like I mentioned, only going to be in the mid to lower 40s tomorrow, and we could see gusty winds up to 15, so just be mindful of that. And of course, once the sun goes down and we don't see any sunshine out there, temperatures are going to plummet once again back into the lower 30s, upper 20s in some areas. Good news is we're not going to be seeing any rainfall heading into the first half of this week, all thanks to this high pressure system that's going to just continue to dig farther down into the south and affect our weather here in the Tennessee Valley, keeping us pretty clear and dry out there. So we've got some sunny days headed in our direction, but unfortunately all good things must come to an end, and we do have rain back in the forecast. So look forward to the dry weather Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I've got a 30% chance for rain on Friday. That's going to be coming Friday night, so Friday throughout the day going to be pretty dry. Saturday at 50%, we've got off and on scattered showers throughout the day, and Sunday at 20%. So most of us will be starting to dry out heading into Sunday. Have a good look at the next 7 days. Once again, very cold Monday and Tuesday. Notice Tuesday morning, 28 degrees. Good news is we're actually going to be warming up into the lower 60s once we get into Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Like I mentioned earlier, though, Saturday looks to be the best shot at seeing rain. We'll start to dry out for Sunday, and temperatures will be dropping back into the lower 50s.